our body is created in such a way that it has its own capacity to heal itself. So the body has its own capacity to heal itself. Unfortunately, with the kind of lifestyle that we have, especially stress, we do not eat enough nutritious foods. Our body, the function of our body, to defend itself against these diseases, it can no longer be, it can never perform that function anymore. So that's why what the Complete does, like this supplement do, is that when you take it, it actually nourishes your body, such that the body, when it is well nourished, it can function very well. It can, boost your immune system, defend you against any carcinogen or free radicals for that matter. So that's why our products, initially when you take it, you won't feel anything. And then again, upon taking continuously, you will feel that you're getting better, or you're getting stronger, you're getting energized, more energized. So at this time, I would like to show you a visual simulation of what actually happens in our body whenever we take our product Complete. So I have here a glass of water, okay, just to represent our system as in babies. Babies are known to have the cleanest system known to men, because babies, you know how clean they are. Their system so efficient. Whenever they eat, after a few minutes, they poop. Do you know this? Babies are like that. Whenever they eat, after a while, they pass motion. But us, as we age, whenever you eat, when do you pass that motion? Huh? When do you have that bowel movement after you eat? Probably after a few days. Some people after 1 week. You just imagine 1 week. Because their system is not that clean or efficient anymore. So let me represent this as your body. Very clean. A baby. But as time goes by, we eat, junk foods. We're exposed to a lot of fast foods. We eat a lot of, foods with no nutrition at all. So let me represent the toxin that comes inside your body as this povidone iodine. Do you know this povidone iodine? This one. Okay? It's betadine. Normally, where do you use this? For wounds, bruises, etc. Can I drink this?
No.
Who wants to drink this? Okay. So probably after you drink this, there will be a bubble or bubbles in your mouth afterwards because you're intoxicated. So let me represent this as toxin going inside your body. Those smokes, pollutions, free radicals, preservatives, anything that goes into your body that tries to attack the whole system itself. So, it comes from smoke, pollution, preservatives, junk foods, etc. Now, if your system looks like this, do you think you're still healthy? Do you think you're still healthy if your body or your system looks like this? No, not anymore. So some people, they will say, well, George, I know what is cleansing, but I will just drink a lot of water so that I will cleanse my whole system. Water is good, but it does not actually cleanse your whole system. Because even if I put some water here, okay, still the same. Okay, nothing happened. Now, we get a capsule of our Complete, okay, and try to dilute some of it, not the whole capsule, in our solution, and see what's going to happen. Okay? Okay, we just put some, powder inside from the inside of our capsule, and you will see that there's something happening there. Okay. Okay. There. When you clap your hands, of course, it's hard to perform magic. No, actually, the betadine is still there. I can still drink this. The fact is just, the Complete just tried to neutralize the toxin of betadine, okay? But I cannot still drink that. So in our body, whenever you drink the Complete, there are 5 ways that the body actually excretes or disposes of the waste or toxin from your body. Number 1, from your nose. When you drink that, whenever you feel a sinusitis, some of them will actually come out from your nose. Number 2, from your mouth. So sometimes it will come from your mouth. Number 3, from your skin. Those people who have a hard time sweating, they've been running for quite some time and you never see them sweating. Let them think that. Because one way of the body to really dispose of its waste is from perspiration. 4th, from your urine. Okay? And 5th, from poop. Okay? So drink that at least once a day. If you don't feel anything, at least, if you feel something from your body, or you have aches or pains, or you have some cases of illnesses, especially the early stages, you can drink that at least twice a day. We can do some strength tests. I will need the help of our assistants, but I will get a volunteer from you just to show you what we call strength test. We test your strength before you drink the complete, and we test your strength again after drinking the complete. And you will see the difference. May I have a volunteer from the audience, please? Okay? May I have Seth? From, may you come here in front, please? Okay. Let's give a round of applause for our volunteer. Okay? Alright? Okay. What's your name, sir? Boye. Before you even come here, did you drink complete or... I'm sorry? I haven't taken my dinner. Oh, you haven't taken your dinner. How about lunch? Okay. Just to make sure that, this is not, scripted. Okay? Because some of you might think that this is scripted. Do you have a cell phone in you, or... Okay, can I just borrow it and just put it there so that, we can test if there's any metal in your body? No? That's it? Okay. I am here, Marlon, who will test his strength while he's not yet taken the complete. So, Marlon will just perform something. Sir, just follow Marlon. Stand up straight. Your foot close with each other. Feet, okay? And look straight at the back of the, in front. Okay? And put your hands just on your side. Okay. Feet together, sir. Feet together. Okay. So Marlon will try to pull Boyet's hand like this. Pull down. Not like this, but he'll try to pull it down. And Boyet here will try to resist with all his strength. You get it? Okay. Marlon, can you do the honor? Okay. Okay. Alright? Okay, so you see, Boyet can, one more. Feet together, sir? Alright? Okay. You can see now? Now, let's have Boyet drink our complete. So, for faster effect, we'll try to dilute the complete again in the water. Okay, so this may taste differently, but it's okay. Anyway, it's just vegetable. You will see that the solution turned green because of the green food content of our product. Okay, and we'll have Boyet to drink this. This is not too bitter. I mean, this is just fine. It won't do you any harm. Just make sure, are you insured? Because something might happen, okay? Okay. Okay, just drink it, sir, and then we'll just... Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. So, actually drank our solution, and then we'll try to count from 20 to 1, just so we know that it's actually in his body already, or it penetrated his system already. So, sir, can you again please stand straight, and we will try to count from 20, okay? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll perform the same test. And again, kindly resist whenever Marlon tries to pull you down. So, okay. Okay. Alright? Keep your feet each other, sir. Close to each other. Yeah. Alright. Alright. You try to resist, sir. Okay? Use your strength now. Okay. Alright. Other side.
Lift your waist.
Because I'm going to run, we will fall down.
Alright, go.
Strong already.
3. Okay, try to resist us. Alright. So one more time.
One more time. Strong already.
Alright, you see, he cannot, Alright. Thank you, Sir Colin. He thought his arms gonna break on each other.
Right.
So his strength is actually different after he took our complete. So why is it so fast, like 20 seconds, and it has an effect already? Because our product uses a technology we call nanotechnology. Nanotechnology means the products are so minute when it enters your body that's even smaller than the cellular or the cells. That's why when our product energizes the cell, it actually energizes the whole system already. So it penetrates down to the cellular level. Do you think it's good?
Good.
You think it's good?
Good.
Okay, clap your hands for that. Okay. Another one. Okay, we have another product here known as white light. Okay, it's actually a glutathione. I don't know if here in Singapore if it's very popular or glutathione. Well, what is glutathione? Glutathione is a very powerful antioxidant, especially designed to actually detoxify the liver. It's a very, very powerful antioxidant. That this antioxidant is actually popular in the Philippines because, a lot of people when they use the glutathione, it actually whitens the skin. Okay? So when you use glutathione, whatever glutathione it is, it actually whitens the skin. But the purpose of any glutathione is not actually whitening. The purpose of which is really to detoxify your liver. Fortunately, the side effect is actually to whiten the skin. So, which means if, a person actually takes glutathione and there is a change in her skin or in his skin, it's actually the side effect of the glutathione. But that is not the main purpose of glutathione. The main purpose of glutathione is an antioxidant, especially for the liver. Now, what's unique about our glutathione is that it is sublingual and spray form, liquid form, actually gel form, that you actually spray it under your tongue, or we call it sublingual, under the tongue. Why? Why is it so? Because under the tongue under our tongue, there's a lot of nerve endings under our tongue, such that if you put any substance under it, it is actually or directly absorbed into your circulatory system. And it goes through your bloodstream and all over your body. That's why those patients suffering from high blood, they actually take their medicines and put it under their tongue, such that the effect is fast. Because under the tongue, again, there's a lot of nerve endings there. So the good thing about our products that when you take it, when you spray it under your tongue, it actually it penetrates directly to your circulatory system. Being an antioxidant, and of course, you put it inside your mouth, so it's also very good for people who have, bad breath. So it's very good for breath pressure. Aside from that, of course, antioxidant, it prevents you, it helps you, it defends you from a lot of carcinogens, free radicals, and toxins going inside your body, and especially detoxifies our liver. So this is quite, the flavor is lemon. So when you spray it under your tongue, You spray it like 2 to 3 times every day. Okay? No, do not spray it under your arm. It's a different story. Because they were saying underarm. No, under the tongue only. Please. Okay? Okay. It's a bit sticky, so that's why when you put it under your tongue, your armpit might get sticky too. Okay? So, this is halal certified, so it's also good for our brothers, Muslim brothers and sisters. Do you think it's good?
Good.
Again, let's give a round of applause for our brothers. So, actually, in the Philippines, we have about 9 products. But your health department has just approved 2 of our products. Some more products are coming here. But at present, we're actually distributing the complete and only white light. Now, let me go to the business side of this company, or the business side, the opportunity behind this. Okay? What is the business opportunity here? Our business actually is engaged in network marketing. So at this stage, I will just go down so that you can properly see, okay, distribution. From the factory, before it even goes to the consumer, it goes through a lot of distribution channels. What are those distribution channels? First of all, the wholesalers. The factory produces the product, any product, and then it goes to the wholesaler. Because we as consumer, we cannot directly buy from the factory. From the factory, it goes to the air agents, the middlemen, before it reaches the retail store. And then we as consumers, we buy from the retail stores. This is the traditional way of doing business. Such that when a product is produced or manufactured at say $100, when we buy it, is it still $100 or not anymore? Not anymore. It's probably about 300 to 500. Why? Because everybody has to make money. So they have a markup before it reaches us. Now this business is okay. But the problem is, we as consumers, we're the only entity that doesn't make money. Now in network marketing, ladies and gentlemen, like AIM Global, we do not distribute the products this way. That's why our products, you can never see this in retail or retail stores. You can never see it in the mall. You'll never see it being advertised. Because instead of the company, okay, going through this flowchart or this channel, it goes to a single entity known as the distributor, or you or us. And from us, we are the ones who are going to distribute it to the consumer. Such that all these markups, instead of the factory or company giving those income or markup to these channels, it goes to a single entity known as a distributor. That's why the distributors makes a lot of money. You get the flow? So it's simple as that. So by way of distribution, there are 2 ways to distribute the product. If you become a distributor of AIM Global, first, you can do direct selling. You can get the product from us, okay, AIM Global or Alliance in Motion Global, sell it to your customer. What are you going to sell? The 2 products that just shown, complete and white light. How much do we make money from retailing? How much is the retail profit? You get 25% retail profit. Okay? It's like, our complete is like 45. Okay? $45. Okay? $45 selling price, but you actually get it from AIM, from us, at 35 when you become a member. So the $10 is your markup. That's 25%. Now, so that's why if you're really good in selling, you can make a lot of money by just selling. But the problem with selling, like me, I'm not a sales type. I'm not a salesperson. So, the problem with selling is that, if you sell, you make money. But if you don't sell anymore, you didn't make money anymore. That's why there is another way of distributing the product. Instead of just selling it, we do it by networking. What do we mean by networking? Instead of just selling the product, you try to sponsor your friends, your relatives. In other words, we call it, you sponsor. Bring them to the seminar, recruit them to become a part of your organization. The purpose of which is not to actually make money from them. The purpose of which is for you to multiply yourself. It's like branching out. I know one local company here, which is very big, which is called Old Chunky. Am I right? Old Chunky. Old Chunky. Old Chunky, the owner, is he rich here in Singapore? Is he rich? Huh? Or are they rich? The owner of Old Chunky. Now, there's a lot of Old Chunky stores, right? So what do they do that? Why did they do that? The purpose of it is just to branch out, multiply their scores. Same way here, in network marketing, it's actually why do you need to sponsor, recruit people? For you to branch out and multiply your score, multiply yourself. Such that those people, you will be able to sponsor, they will have the same opportunity to sell and also network our products. Why? You know, when your friend got interested, and whenever he buys or she buys or sells to his customer, do you think when you're recruit, you call this downline? When she sells to her friends, do you make money? Again, you sponsored your friend A. A sold to her friend C. Do you think you as the sponsor, you make money or no?
Make money.
Of course you make money. Now, let's complete it. Let's continue. If A or B happens to recruit their friends also, okay? And these people recruits also, your organization grows. And it becomes a network of people, what? Using the products and selling the products. As long as this network uses and sells the product, you make money. You get the idea? It's as simple as that. So that's why we do network marketing. Instead of just selling the products, do it while selling, you sponsor your friends. Because if you do this, you, sometimes, even if you do not have time, you do not have enough time to run your business, your network, even if you're working, ladies and gentlemen, you can still make money out of the effort of these people. While you are so busy with your work, while you are still busy with your job, ladies and gentlemen, you can make money because you were able to multiply yourself through a lot of business. I've been doing this business for the last 14 years. And ladies and gentlemen, my network expanded to more than 14 countries all over the world. I'm in the Philippines, but I have a big network down in Dubai. So I'm living in Dubai here now. I have a big group in Belgium, Netherlands, and Luxembourg. I have quite some group in the Middle East, in UK, in Australia, Taiwan, Hong Kong. So, if this group grows big in such a way that you, as their sponsor, ladies and gentlemen, were able to teach them how to do the business also, they make money, you make money from their own effort. Is that good or very good?
Very good.
That's good or very good? It's very simple. So all you have to do is to just sponsor your friends. We have an office here in International Plaza. It's just a small office because we're just starting here in Singapore. But all you have to do, ladies and gentlemen, you do not need to do what I'm doing right now, that's explaining. You won't do the explanation. All you have to do, bring your friends to our office or in any events like this. We will announce it to you in the future where we're going to hold our orientation. All you have to do is tell your friends to come with you because you want to share with him a very nice opportunity and just sit down here and let the speaker talk about the business. All you have to do is bring people, sit down, and clap your hands. That's it. Another friend of yours, you think will be interested? Invite him. Go inside the orientation, sit down, listen, clap your hands. That's it. And if your friends got interested, what are they going to do? The same. Bring friends, sit down, clap their hands. You get the point? Until such time that your group grows big and big and big and big. You get the idea? Yes. Do you think it's hard or it's easy? It's very simple. It's very simple. Now, how do you become a distributor of Baby Global? Number one, you become a distributor by buying our global package. Global package is the one that you see, those boxes or those kits that you see in front are called global package. So you buy that, you become a distributor. What does it contain? Number one, it contains